Welcome to the channel. Today for this recipe I have a helper, Olivia. Tell them what they should do, Olivia.
So, what you need to do, if you haven't already did it, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's right there. Click it. So, what we're going to be making is
we're making a confetti salad.
confetti.
I already prepped the tomatoes. What is this?
It is some peppers.
Yellow peppers.
And orange peppers. Onion.
And red onions. We have a little bit
of some
lime. And this is a ginger scallion in oil. So a flavored oil, just to add a little bit of dressing. Okay. Yeah. So first, we all wash our hands.
I washed my hands this morning, right? And I just ate some food, so I'm good. I'm just roll up my sleeves.
Okay. So we're all clean. Okay. So Olivia's gonna add the onions first.
To the tomatoes?
Yes, to the tomato. All of it.
All
just
of it?
Pick up the container and
just
put into the mix.
Just dump it?
Yep. Okay.
Next.
Thank you. You're gonna pick up colored pepper. You want the orange? Okay. No?
I don't know.
Okay. Put it all in there.
Now the yellow.
And then you put the yellow in. Okay. So now I'm going to put in the ginger, the scallion and ginger seasoned oil. Just going to put that all up in here.
And then the lime juice.
Not yet, not yet. Eh? I'm just going to make sure that we get everything. Okay, thank you so much, my helper. Okay, so now I'm just going to stir it. So that makes a lovely, beautiful confetti side. You could use it as a salad.
Or like a dressing.
The dressing is already in here.
Yeah, like,
you could put this, make it ahead in a fridge, and when you come home from school, you could have it as a snack.
Not for me, because I don't like tomatoes. That's why.
Okay. This is so simple. You could cut the onions a little smaller, but I kind of like
just cut, put in.
Nice sliver. So now we're just gonna take the lime and just do a slight squirt, not too much,
just a little,
just to give it a little zing. And my friend, that is all. Beautiful tomato confetti salad. Tell them what they need to do again, Olivia.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Goodbye.
See you next video.